Hello, is the sound working?
It is now.
Ha 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 ha. Hi, Jeremy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where's your cool sunglasses, bro?
Oh, they're upstairs.
Those are
Can we
dope.
just can we just see the cat more often? Like, no offense, I love you, Jeremy, but I do love the cat a lot too. Sorry to interrupt, Cat.
Yeah, no problem. Where is
Arky asking the real questions.
that's
Hard meeting.
that's an extremely fair point. Let me go grab her and I'll turn my camera back on. Oh, where did you go?
Leo, you might need to share the whole window instead of one tab if you are sharing one tab. I'm not sure, because Zoom has a bug which not allowed you share one tab together with speaking, I guess.
Okay, there you go.
My day is complete. Thank you, Cat. I appreciate that very much.
You're so welcome.
Is that the espresso?
That is espresso. It is the espresso. Espresso from Twitter.
Hello, hello. Okay, now it's working, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. Sound problems on Linux. Okay, so I have to share a different window. Let me see.
I know we're grouchy this morning.
So, like this, does it work now? I'm sorry for having some technical problems. Okay, awesome. So since I already started the recording, should I stop again and start again?
You can keep
Start
going.
all over?
It's fine. You can keep going. The
Okay.
recording will auto upload it.
Okay. Okay, great. Then, yeah, welcome again to the Kubernetes 1.25 release team meeting. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd of June, 2022. Please be aware this is a Kubernetes community meeting, so it falls down under the CNCF Code of Conduct, which can be summarized to be just excellent to each other. I see a lot of attendees already registered to the attendees list. Looking at the open discussions, there's nothing on it, I think, so we can jump to the release team sub-team updates for enhancements. Paul?
Yeah, hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah, we can hear you.
So the current status for enhancements is yellow. We received a total of 57 enhancements, of which 33 are being tracked. 34 of them are for alpha, 19 for beta, and 15 for stable. And there is one deprecation. 6 of them have been removed from the milestone. Apart from which, there was a final remainder all for enhancements, which was sent via email earlier this week. That apart, we have also reached out to all the participating SIGs through Slack and requesting them for their reports on their KEPs and stuff. And the enhancement freeze after being postponed is now scheduled for 24th of June, which is 2 days from now. And there is an enhancement party meeting scheduled for the same as well.
All right. Sounds good. Moving on to CI signal, Nivieta.
So yeah, hello everyone. Our current status is yellow. On master blocking, we have 0 failing and 5 flakes. On master informing, we have 2 failing. And after observing this failing, it seems flaky, and we will observe these jobs for 1 more day. And after that, we will create an issue. And yeah, 6 flakes. And yeah, that's all from CSI.
Okay, great. Bugs triage, Hossam.
Yeah, hello everyone. Our overall status is green. There is no blocking issues or PRs. our shadow team, including myself, are starting to take ownership of the issues and PR and following up with the team. Part of the exercise as well is to also provide an update during the release calls. That's basically starting with Hussein last time, covering for Hiba and myself for the next couple of release calls as well. So far, I think Hiba is back, so I'm not sure if she joined, but welcome back because she had some issues, personal issues last time. So I hope everything is okay and she is back as well to the team. Thanks, everyone.
Right. Okay. Looks like everything is good there. For docs, Eding Yong, I don't know.
Edidier. No worries, Edidier, that's the pronunciation. Hi everyone. So the status for the Ducks team is green. The Ducks lead is currently training shadows on how to keep the dev branch synced. And then we're also getting ready to assign enhancements to the Ducks team for tracking.
All right. Then to the next team, release notes with Rodolfo.
Yeah, hi everyone. Our current status is green. We had an internal meeting last week to learn how to use the Kyer tool for release notes. Also, each shadow is creating a pull request for the release notes draft for Alpha 1. So we are working on that. The pull request 1948 is ready to be reviewed and CC just approved that and merged some minutes ago. So thanks, CC. And that is all from us.
Awesome. All right, moving on to comms with Kat.
Hello. So I am coordinating this week and a little bit of last week with enhancements regarding specific KEPs for feature blogs, anything that seems big enough that we really need to chase it down for a feature blog. And after the enhancements freeze is actually settled, we will begin collecting like voluntary feature blogs. We're also reaching out to SIG-Auth and SIG Security about doing a mid-cycle release blog regarding the PSP removal. I know we normally reserve the mid-cycle release blog if we even have one for deprecations and removals, but PSP is the only deprecation or removal currently on the enhancement tracking sheet, but it's big enough that I think it justifies it anyway. So there may be a little bit of a pivot that the mid-cycle release blog is not just deprecations and removals. We might highlight a couple of other like really big impactful ads just so that the blog isn't so awkward, but it also may end up just being like a, hey, everybody, for real this time, it's gone, PSP removal blog. So we'll figure out. I've already messaged Ian and Tabitha, the SIG Security co-chairs. I'll reach out to SIG-Auth next. But otherwise we're good. We're all green.
Nice. Very cool. Okay. Branch management. I think Veronica is not on the call, right? I'm not sure if there's an associate already.
Yeah. So she had a drop. So the Alpha 1 was cut already, and we're gonna do Alpha 2 on Tuesday. The promo tools should be fixed up and should be good to go. We're just following CI signal to make sure things are lined up. So if you have any questions or if there are any concerns, happy to answer them here or in release management.
Awesome, thank you. Moving on to the EA, which seems like Ray is out of office. So I'm just reading out what the note says. So all the shadow orientation sessions have been held. Reach out to Ray if you want, if you were unable to attend the session, and if you would like more info on the release team and the release cycles. Right. And then at last, the release lead, CC. Are you on
Yeah,
the
hi
call?
everyone. Yeah, I just like to send out the final reminder on the enhancement freeze, which happening this week on Thursday Pacific time. We will be reviewing each of the enhancement after the enhancement freeze and all possible exceptions. And also we got a pretty good suggestion by Bob, which is using GitHub projects to track enhancement freeze in the future. And I've edited it in the retro topic. So please feel free to join our retro if you're interested in the topic. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you. For 6 scalability, I don't see any updates.
I just have a quick question about the GitHub project thing. Why is it in the retro? Because I thought we were going to start doing it after enhancement freeze.
Yeah, we will be doing it, but later on, like we will even use the projects for tracking the enhancement from the very beginning, right? So it's a little bit late for this current release, I guess. But I didn't aware of the progress for using the GitHub projects for the enhancement tracking. Are we going to move it like completely after the enhancement phase? Or
Priyanka
Yeah.
can answer you though.
So we are planning to start working on the project beta for enhancement tracking after enhancement freeze. So there is no progress as of now, but that's for the weeks after enhancement freeze. Yes, we are planning to work on a POC.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you for the update. I'll remove that.
All right. So it seems like we are through. We can open the project board. Let's see if there's anything. Create a visual path. Should we walk over those cards quickly? So actually, I've been working on this one. I think this should be closed. In progress. So this is basically adding a bit of documentation to show how the process looks like. This is like a diagram. Looking at this very quickly. Maybe this is also interesting for new folks who are interested in how the process overall works. So at the bottom here, should be some diagrams, right? So this is already merged. So if you're first time at the release team, this might be interesting for you. And also a similar change merged to the branch manager. Basically how to cut the release. Let me see. Oh, this is the same one. Okay. So I think I can close this. Moving on to the next one, redefining. Seems like this is like quite an old issue. I think also overall we have to check if like this board represents actually what we are working on right now, because it seems like it's not really up to date all the time. Okay. Right, also an old one, also an old one. All right. I think that's it. Maybe I will bring this also to a retro, this project board, and how useful it is and how we can make sure that it's also up to date. But that's it. Yeah, I will stop the recording. I can stop the recording and stop sharing.